While everyone is working on their Animal Crossing cultivation, I'm being even less productive, even though I said I would be more productive. Hey, gentle folks, this is Cetriya, Cetriya, and I hope that you are hanging in there, not becoming stir crazy, and if so, hopefully this video provides some form of distraction or entertainment. So, what has been going on? Well, first off, before I continue with my little bit of a chat update, not chant, I am working on a part 1 digital rendering of a character for a story that who knows if I will eventually get to before the end of my life, but I figured I wanted to just mix things up, and I will be mixing things up a bit as my time allows. So I've only done the first part of this digital character illustration, just keeping it simple, and eventually I'll do the second part, though in between I might post some videos working on some watercolor or marker illustrations or even some black and white art. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep myself productive. But first, I have to say that I'm probably going to give a bit of a report on what I've been noticing on my feed. What have you guys been noticing on your YouTube feed? I pretty much exclusively watch YouTube. I don't have like a Netflix account except for the free trial for that Korean drama, Itaewon Class. But other than that, I've noticed that a lot of creatives of all sorts are working on Animal Crossing. I pretty much exclusively just watched my brother playing video games and just seeing the story. So if he was playing, if I was young and he was young and we were still living at our parents' house and he was working on Animal Crossing, I would normally just watch him play the games, while now and then I would go back to my sketchbook. But I just thought it was very funny on how so many people are working on Animal Crossing. It kind of reminds me of like The Sims or other type of like social interaction groups, which I'm sure that's a good component about it, is you get to build things and be productive in a different sort of way, since right now we aren't productive. I firmly believe that we as a species was made to be on the earth to just produce and do stuff. Now, I'm sure we all have those family members or those friends that have no qualms being a couch potato. But let me tell you, I've been getting quite a bit of extra sleep, and there is something as too much sleep. It's like my lower back left rib or something, like, I don't know, just the part of me that really hurts at this point because I've been sleeping too much. So I think starting for today, I'm going to try to sleep a little bit less. And when I mean less, I mean sleep the 7.5-ish hours versus like the 10-ish hours that I've just been very much indulging in. It's so nice. It's cloudy in the morning, it's cool in the morning, and all you hear, at least all I hear, is the bird chirping, and people haven't done anything because they're staying inside, probably having a late breakfast, and it's quiet. I'm by myself. It's like my alone hour, and usually highly productive people have a nice morning routine to wake up extra early to take advantage of those hours. So maybe there's something to it. Maybe I should actually do the same, because I'll admit I haven't been all that extra productive in the last couple of days, and I think I really will try to push myself, or it's not even push myself, just discipline myself and try to keep to the fact that I need to actually be productive and do things, and also eventually get towards doing my lawn, because my goodness, I sit in my window and I'm looking at it right now and it's looking atrocious. But Florida spring/summers, we just basically jump straight into summers, are brutal. They're already at it's already like 85, 90 degrees, and right now I have my AC and my fan off so that way you guys can get the best audio recording quality that I'm capable of delivering you guys, or else you'd be hearing all this noisy background. But yeah, I got a pretty large to-do list, but then it's like I'm naturally a procrastinator. I think we have several in our family that genetically we're naturally procrastinators. We like to take our time on things, but once you get us being busy and getting us to be that whole hustle mentality, we do get up and start doing a bajillion of things all in one go. And we go, at least me, I go in like bursts. So all of a sudden, 3 months straight, I'll be like productive. So then by the end of the year, everyone's like, oh, you're so productive. But it's like, well, I only was productive for like 4 or 5 months out of the year, and the other year I was coasting. And I want to get out of that rhythm. So hopefully hopefully you guys are productive too. So, let me know in the comments what kind of projects you guys are working on, what kind of hobbies that you are cultivating. If you're pretty far advanced in Animal Crossing, though, don't use too much Animal Crossing verbiage or terminology, because again, I don't play the game. I just noticed a lot of people are playing the game. Uh, and last but not least, I've gotten a few comments of you guys accepting me doing a mixed vlog type thing, and I think I'll probably do that for quite a number of videos, even past the quarantine, for my channel, mostly because that personally, I like a variety. I watch a lot of cooking channels. Watch a lot of day in the life channels. Watch a lot of homebody channels and stuff, and gardening channels, and tech channels, and money channels, and business channels, and just lifestyle channels. I watch a lot of channels, my goodness, and of course music and things like that. But yeah, so please let me know, if there's even more things that you wouldn't mind or things you don't want in my videos to show up. But of course, I will always mix it in with me working on some kind of art or project. But last bit, I would say that my garden has been doing okay for a start. My radishes are already starting to poke through, so I think they should be done in about 2 weeks or so. And then I'll probably pull those out and start pickling those. I have plenty of jars, but the only thing is that I actually need to eat what I've pickled, so I'll probably be eating a lot of salad in the next couple of days, because I've been really wanting some veggies. And I probably need to go buy me a couple of more meat that's on a decent sale or a decent price, even though it's been pretty difficult getting like a good quality meat. People are just buying up everything, so not to say like shelves aren't bare or anything, just it's like I'm not the type to go there first thing in the morning, and I can't anyways because I'm not a senior citizen and things like that. But yeah, the garden's been doing great. I'm planning to add more shades to the top, and I already have quite a number of seedlings, watermelon, cucumbers, squash, and things like that. So we shall see if that survive. And there goes my cat meowing in the backyard. And it's like, she's been pretty moody since I stayed home. Also, yeah, that's been a kind of a love-hate kind of thing with me, kind of thing. But yeah, you could tell me about your pets too. Have they been very moody or acting like prince or princesses with a lot of attitude? But yeah, anyhow, like I said, this is part 1 of the illustration. I'll eventually work on part 2 on another vlog. But tell me your thoughts. Tell me what you're working on. Tell me, how things have been going, and hopefully you guys are hanging in there, staying mostly at home, but maybe going out into your yard or your patio and getting some fresh air and things like that. Anyway, all the best, guys, and hope you found this entertaining.